Today I'm going to show you what to do if your shutter release is disabled or shutter response is slow. First of all, check if your memory card is inserted in properly. To allow the shutter to be released without recording a picture when no memory card is inserted, press the menu button, go to setup menu, then select slot empty release and enable release. Then you need to check that release is selected for autofocus release priority options. Go to your menu, then custom settings, then find AFC or AFS release priority. Then selecting focus for the autofocus release priority prevents the shutter being released when the subject is not in focus. Selecting release allows pictures to be taken whether or not the subject is in focus. Then select manual focus as the camera's focus mode. Also allows the shutter to be released whether or not the subject is in focus. You can enable manual focus by going to the focus mode option in the eye menu or the photo or movie shooting menu. Then select off for exposure delay mode. Exposure delay mode reduces the camera shake by delaying the release of the shutter until 0.2 seconds to 3 seconds after the shutter release button is pressed. Select off for exposure delay mode in the custom settings menu. Using the built-in flash many times very quick may result in the shutter being disabled to protect the flash. If this happens, wait for a couple of seconds. Thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe. Hit that like button if this video helped you.